Silence hums, it holds the key. A quiet road where souls run free. No map to guide, just breathe in air. The stillness whispers God's repair. In the void my heart beats, slows. A garden blooms where nothing grows. I close my eyes yet wide they seem. A cosmic bridge, a glowing stream. Still the path is clear, no need for words, just feel him near. With every breath the veil grows thin, the sacred song starts from within. The echoes fade, the mind at rest. A simple stillness feels the best. Beneath the noise the truth is found. A holy spark, no chains, no bound. Every pause the answers gleam. This waking life a fleeting dream. I sit and wait, the world turns slow. Yet inside me the rivers flow. Through tangled thoughts the quiet calls. A higher plane, no world built walls. In silence I unearth what's true. God's voice that sings me back to you. The highway still, the path is clear. No need for words, just feel him near. With every breath the veil grows thin. The sacred song starts from within.